Dyslexic Genius here. Now we're going to assemble the carriage. And before I started, these two holes are just a little bit undersized to screw into here. They're just a little bit on the hole. It looks like it, but it's not. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the diamond cutter. I'm going to use a cone-shaped one like this, ice cream cone-shaped one. And you just come in here and poke it under in the spring like this, and you just cut it out a little. We'll flip it over. I know it came apart, but I think the factory just forced it together. So now we'll come over here and check this. Yeah, see how the holes look much better now. We can get in and have a little bit of adjustment. All right, so let's assemble this. I've already flexed home through here, so you can see that the back rod just floats. And that's what they should do, like that. But sometimes the factory have little boo-boos. We're going to leave all the screws apart. We put these two screws in like this.
Leave all the screws apart?
I mean, we're going to leave the screws loose. Just kind of raise up the spring a little. Find it to go in.
So you lifted the end a little bit?
I lifted the end up a little bit. That goes in a lot better. Yes, the factories do force things together to get them out the door. And this is one of those rare occasions that we had that happen. See, we have this little bit of adjustment. We're going to leave that loose like that. Then we're going to come in. We're going to put one little drop of oil in there. We're going to take this thread thing. We're going to put a drop of oil on that and the threads. We're going to put the spring in and drop this in. Got to line up the hole like that. There we go. It'll bottom out. Now, everything works good. Now we will put that last little screw in here. This is the fine adjustment screw. gonna set that right there gently. I'm gonna come in and grab this.
Do you have a magnetic screwdriver?
Not for this one, just a minute. Boy, this thing hates me.
You could put a blob of green grease on it to hold it in place.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna do the old school trick. Little beeswax into the slot. Finally got that. That's a tough one. There we go. Now we have everything cleaned, everything polished out. Now we will start assembly. We've fixed it all. Screws are blued, everything. And that's my tip for the day.